Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, if I say net, you hold it up real high and tight. Okay, let me see you hold it up high. Okay, good. Okay, all right. Hey, Key. Hey, Pumpkin. Oh, you doing okay? Ah, Pumpkin. Ah, you doing okay? Huh? You are? Let me get tied in here, okay? Let me get. Okay. I got the kitty. I got the kitty. I got the kitty. What? Okay, put the net down, okay? All right, I got him. He belongs to somebody, I don't know who. He's not in good shape though. Yeah, I got you, Pumpkin. We're going to check him for a chip. Hope he's got a chip so we can find the owner. Okay, let's go check for a chip here. Have a chip, Pumpkin. Have a chip, okay? I know it. Have a chip. Okay, no chip. Okay. He's a feral kitty. Yeah, see the clipped ear? Okay. Okay, he might go home. Okay.
I don't understand. What does that mean, he's a feral?
It means that some cats are, when they're born in the wild, they're called feral. Mm-hmm. Okay, they're not socialized with people, and so what people often do is feed them in the wild. Okay, but in order to indicate that they're being fed, they clip the ear, and he's probably neutered as well. Okay, so someone might have made him a pet. Okay. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna do this. Listen, I'm gonna try to get a collar on him to let people know we found him. Okay, if he let me pick him up. So I'm gonna bring him. I'm gonna put him in the trunk. Okay. So when I bring him, you close the trunk on him. Okay. Here we go. All right. Watch out. Watch out. Okay. Go give it to me. Give it to me.
Okay.
No, okay. No. Watch out, man. Watch out. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. My job's done here.